Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Broadcastify. It's a website that allows you to listen to emergency and police scanners in your area and across the United States. Police scanners can be pretty expensive, so for those of you that like to keep track of what's going on with EMS and police in your area, Broadcastify is free, and it's also an app that you can download to your Apple and Android devices. We're going to switch screens here, take a look at Broadcastify and see how you can enjoy, I shouldn't say enjoy, but listen in on what's going on with law enforcement and emergency services. Let's switch screens here and we're going to take a look. Alright, there's Broadcastify, and you can find it at broadcastify.com. The website allows you to listen to multiple broadcasts from thousands of EMS around the country. If you want to listen, you can just click on the Listen tab. You can click your area, and you can click your county. And for the sake of this demo, we'll do Kansas City. And once you click on a county or an area, it'll bring up the cities in that county. So say if you wanted to listen to Kansas City, you can click on Kansas City and you can scroll through all of the different EMS feeds. If you want to click on one, find the one that you want to listen to and click on the player. And after a few seconds, it'll tell you how many listeners are listening to this feed, and then you should hear some of the EMS broadcasts over your computer. Same thing, if you want to go back and choose a different area, you can just click on the Broadcastify homepage, go back to listen, choose your area and your county, and then it'll bring up all of the feeds for that area. Now keep in mind that some of those may be online and some of them may be offline. It just depends on if the emergency signal or service is active in your area. But if you were thinking about getting a police scanner, look no further. Look at Broadcastify to find the emergency feeds that you want. Also, if you wanted to listen to feeds from different tragedies that occurred throughout the United States, you can click on those as well. So check it out. Keep in mind also too, you can broadcast your own emergency feed or feed with Broadcastify, and you can connect with your own department in your area. So check out Broadcastify for those of you that are wanting to listen to emergency services. Check it out. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips that you would like to hear in future videos. Speaking of videos, subscribe. Check us out on YouTube at either Integral or Burton Kelso, and that's a good way to find out great tech tips. I don't know why I froze up there, but anyway, we're all over social media too, so check us out on social media, folks. As always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, and